Hello everyone, I am your teacher for today, Danilo Guzman, and our lesson for today is all about multiplication by 9. But before anything else, please do subscribe to our channel, Matinik at ang Musikero. And for our first example, what is the value of 9 times 7? And how do we compute for each product? And to make it easier, all we have to do is just to place our 10 fingers like this. And then, placing our 10 fingers, let us count like this, from 1 to 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the left hand, and we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for the right hand. And since the question is 9 times 7, the number being multiplied by 9 is 7. All we have to do is just to close the 7th finger as the number 7. Since the 7th finger is already closed, all we have to do is just to count all the fingers before the 7th finger. And as we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, meaning there are 6 fingers before the 7th finger. And then we also have to count the number of fingers right after the 7th closed finger. We have 1, 2, and then finally we have the 3rd finger, meaning there are 3 fingers right after the closed 7th finger. And as we can see, there are 6 fingers before the 7th finger or the closed finger. Then we have another 3 fingers right after the 7th closed finger. Joining them together, 6 and 3, we have 63. Thus, 9 times 7 is equal to 63. 9 times 7 equals 63. For the second example, about what is the value of 9 times 8? Again, placing our two hands together, let us count from 1 to 10. Let us start counting with our left hand. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the left hand. And then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for the right hand. Afterward, all we have to do is just to close the 8th finger, since the question is, what is the value of 9 times 8? 8 is a number being multiplied by 9, so that is why we have to close the 8th finger. For the next step, all we have to do is to count all the fingers before the 8th and closed fingers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are actually 7 fingers before the closed 8th finger. And then let us count now the number of fingers right after the closed finger. We have 1 and 2. There are 2 fingers right after the closed finger. Before the closed finger, there are 7 fingers. Right after the closed finger, there are 2 fingers. So we have 7 and 2. Joining them together, we have 72. It only shows that 9 times 8 is equal to 72. 9 times 8 equals 72. For the third example, what is the value of 9 times 6? What is the product of 9 and 6? In this case, since the number being multiplied by 9 is 6, all we have to do is just to close the 6th finger. And then let us count now the number of fingers before the closed finger. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 fingers before the closed 6th finger. Again, we have 5 fingers before the 6th closed finger. Let us now count the number of fingers right after the 6th closed finger. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, meaning there are 4 fingers right after the closed 6th finger. We have 5 fingers before the closed finger and 4 fingers right after the closed finger. Joining them together, we have 5 and 4, so we have 54. This only shows that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And in addition to our lesson for today, we have now the multiplication table by 9. Starting from 9 times 1 equals 9, 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 3 equals 27, 9 times 4 equals 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 9 times 9 equals 81, and 9 times 10 equals 90. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Matinik at ang Musikero. This is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all.